Good afternoon, everybody.
The U.S. White House on Wednesday revealed more details of the U.S.-Japan trade deal that both sides had reached the day before. The U.S. administration said the investment amounting to $550 billion committed by Japan will be used in key industries like energy, semiconductors, critical minerals, pharmaceuticals, and shipbuilding.
Japan will now pay a 15% tariff versus the reciprocal rate of 24% that they initially had. Auto and auto parts tariffs have been reduced to 15%, but the centerpiece of this deal now is the president got Japan to commit to $550 billion in investments to revitalize American industries. And these funds will be spent at President Trump's discretion and direction into key industries, and the U.S. will retain 90% of the profits from any investments made by this $550 billion fund.
But the opening up of a country is very important to us. We have numerous countries that have opened their doors, just made some incredible transactions, but we're going to have a very, very simple tariff for some of the countries. We have so many countries you can't negotiate deals with everyone, so we'll have a straight, simple tariff of anywhere between 15 and 50%. A couple we have 15 because we haven't been getting along with those countries too well. So we just say, let's pay 50. And that's the way it is. And we're making deals with various Asian countries that need it. And it's actually hard to believe, you don't think of it, but Asia is very close to Alaska, relatively speaking. It's not the closest, but it is pretty much the closest when it comes to oil and gas and energy. And we're making some incredible deals.
The U.S. and Japan announced they had agreed to a deal which will see the tariff rate for Japanese exports to the U.S. to be slashed to 15% from 24%, and for auto and auto parts also down from 25% to 15%. The U.S. said Japan will also open up its market to American companies, while both countries will form a joint venture for liquefied natural gas in Alaska.
トランプ大統領との間で今般の合意の実施に努めるとともに、経済のみならず、あらゆる分野での日米関係をさらに発展をさせ、自由で開かれたインド太平洋の実現に向けて、さらに取り組んでまいります。
The U.S. administration also struck trade deals with Indonesia and the Philippines over the past week. It has sent a total of 25 letters on reciprocal tariffs to countries around the world as many nations are racing against the August 1st implementation date to strike a deal with the U.S.